my channel. So today's video is going to be a summer try on haul, and I'm super excited because, you know, it's summertime. I bought a lot of clothes. If you are new to my channel, my name is Chloe and I make new videos every single week, so I'd love for you guys to subscribe and be a part of this little party we got going on. So without further ado, let's just get on with the video. So I think I'm going to start off with my favorite store. I shop way too much at this store. You can literally ask my friend Tyra. Like, I'm a little obsessed. It's bad. First store that I'm going to show you guys is Brandy Melville, and I love their clothes so much. I didn't go crazy, but I got a few things. So I just got this white hoodie and it's super cute. You guys will see how it looks in the try on. It's just simple. I really wanted something that I can just throw on, and I think that it's perfect for like summertime when it gets chilly at night. I'm scared of wearing white, so we'll see how this goes. So the second thing that I got from Brandy Melville was this adorable green like button-up shirt. I think that it was just so cute, and I tried it on in the dressing room and I thought it was so cute, so I had to pick it up. I just love the green color. I don't really own that much green, so hopefully this will expand my color range because I kind of stick to like black, white, gray. So the next thing that I got from Brandy Melville was this sweater, like button-up sweater. I think this is called the Athelia sweater, if I'm mistaken. Please let me know in the comments if I'm right. But yeah, I just got this in a white color, and I think it's so cute because it's cropped. It's like a little cropped sweater, and I think this would look so cute with jeans. I can also wear this in the fall as well, so like it's just perfect. Yes. So the next thing that I got from Brandy Melville, I'm super excited about this purchase because I've been wanting these pants for so long. So I got these off-white like cargo pants, and the back is kind of has this like weird circle. I didn't know how I felt about it, but then I put it on and I was like, oh, this is cute. So I got this and it's super cute. It has a whole bunch of pockets, which I really appreciate. I think any pants with pockets, like I love having a lot of pockets in anything that I wear. So yeah, I actually featured this in my video as well, and I wore it with the green top and I think it looked so cute together. So I'm really excited to wear this in the fall. I know this is not very summerish, but like, well, I live in New York if you guys didn't know, but like it gets super chilly towards the fall time, so I was like, I might as well get this because I know I'm going to be wearing this a lot when I go back to school. So last but not least, from Brandy Melville, I got this necklace, and it's just like this silver. I feel like you guys have seen this all over Instagram. I think that is what influenced me to buy this because I saw a lot of people wearing it, like styling in different outfits, and I thought it looked so cute. So yeah, I just got this silver necklace, and I've been wearing this a lot lately. I just think it goes well with everything, and it just adds like a little, I don't know, a little va-va-voom to your, I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, just go along with it. So that was all that I got from Brandy Melville. Now we're just gonna move on to Urban Outfitters. So I only got two things from Urban Outfitters, but the first thing that I got were these denim cutoff pants, and they were having a huge extra 40% off sale, so I literally got these for $11. Like, can we just take a moment to appreciate the deal that I got on these pants? I think I checked the price tag and these were originally $60. Who's paying $60? Not me. So the next thing that I got from Urban Outfitters was this adorable top. I've literally been eyeing this top forever, and I was like, it's gonna go on sale. Like, I know it's gonna go on sale, and guess what? It went on sale, and I got this top literally for $12. So yeah, I actually posted a outfit like pic on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on my Instagram, make sure to follow it. Yeah, so that's all I got. So the next place that I went to was Forever 21, and I only got one thing because usually I feel like Forever 21 is a hit or miss. Sometimes I find things, sometimes I don't. I don't know, but I got this adorable midi skirt. I feel like this trend has just been exploding, and I'm seeing so many people style it like so nicely, and I just wanted to ride the wave, you know. And I just thought black was a perfect color because it'll go with everything. But yeah, I'm super excited to wear it, and that was all I got from Forever 21. Okay, so moving on to the next store, I went to Zara, and I think this is probably my favorite purchase out of this entire haul. So we all know The Lion King is coming out, and I am so excited to watch it. I don't know about you guys, but I am literally like, I'm gonna cry. I know I'm gonna cry when I watch it. I got this adorable Lion King tee. I think it is so cute. I saw it and like I could not put it down. I was like, I don't care how much this is, like I have to get it. I think it was like $25, which is kind of steep for a regular t-shirt, but It's like, what? This is so cute. The Lion King is literally my favorite Disney movie, so I am just so excited. And I got this in a size large because I wanted it to be like oversized. I feel like this would be a cute lounge top, and then I can also dress it up, like put on some shorts. Like, I just think this is a cute everyday top. And so last but not least, I went to Victoria's Secret and I got a good amount of stuff. We're having like an extra 50% off short sale, so I got a whole bunch of shorts. So the first thing that I got were these leggings, and I think they are so cute. Oh my gosh, like I'm so excited to wear these. And if you guys didn't know, I'm on a dance team, so I think that wearing these to practice, they're just really comfy, and they're called the Cool and Comfy line, so even better. Yeah, and it has like a little tie-dye like print on the bottom. You can never go wrong with a good pair of leggings. So the next thing that I got from Victoria's Secret were these shorts, and I just really been wanting like a pair of lounge shorts because I feel like I don't own any. But I got this cute red color, and it has a little P on the side. I just think it's so cute. I think this would just be perfect when I go back to school, like I'm lounging around the house. If you guys didn't know, I'm actually living in an apartment, like an on-campus house at my school, which is new for me, so I'm super excited about that. And like we have like a kitchen and everything, so like expect some lit vlogs because I'm super excited. So the next few things that I got were biker shorts, and I got a whole bunch of colors. So the first color that I got were it's like a gray, and it's just like a high waist biker short, and I think it would just look so cute with like the oversized tee or like that Lion King tee that I showed you. So yeah, I got this color in gray, and then the next color that I got was like this burnt orange, and I think it's just so cute. I feel like I don't really see this color a lot like in biker shorts. I think these were all like $6. So the next color biker short that I got was like this gray, like stone wash. I don't even know what you would call this. I don't know. But they fit really nicely. I went to like the Victoria's Secret side, and I got these two bras. So the first one that I got was this red one, and it feels so good, and it literally fits like a glove. The material is super soft, and I think these were like $15 as well, or like 10. I completely forget sometimes, but yeah. So I just thought this was so cute, and I can also just wear this to practice and be comfortable. And then I also just got the same bra in a black color because I feel like black is just a staple. You have to have I feel like you just have to have a black bra. Like, so that was it for my summer try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up if you did, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to follow me on all of my links. It will be all listed down below as per usual. Comment down below your favorite item or some stores that you guys have been shopping at. I want to like find new stores to like shop at. So yeah, I think that's about it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
All my worries landed.